Cause US 30, I got some losses.
Yeah,
I was, I got petty on my losses.
for real.
Addison, but yeah, I got my first losses on US 30, and I was like, damn, bro. I was on a good streak.
Yeah. How many how many trades did you profit before that?
I had I had two trading ideas. Hold on, let me see my the history. Let me see my history. Yeah, I took one trade, but it was two entries though. So one trade, but just two entries.
Yeah.
I lost. Then I lost again, but it was small. But then I used the 0.04, which I should have never done. And then I lost again, but another small loss.
You said 0.04.
Yeah,
Dang, bro. You how much
that's
did you
that,
do with that one?
that's over leveraging, right?
Yeah.
But I realized this, so I took a $143 loss.
Oh, okay. I mean,
Then I used the 0.02.
that's not bad with that kind of lot size.
I gotta. What do you think I should do? I should just use a 0.01 until I'm comfortable.
Yeah. So you comfortable like getting consistent profits.
And when I lose with 0.01 is nothing. So
Yeah,
that
I believe it. I believe it.
it feels like it's nothing.
Yeah.
Because with the risk to reward on US 30,
Yeah.
it's chilling.
Exactly. But that's how you
Yeah, I gotta
that's how
stop.
you want to trade though. You want to trade chilling.
Yeah, yeah, I can't stress anything.
Nah, bro, it ain't no need to stress.
So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep it at 0.01 until I have plenty of cushion.
Okay.
But yeah, other than those trades, I haven't been looking at anything else.
Yeah, I haven't been looking at much, honestly.
Because US 30 is like it's at a weird spot.
Yeah, yeah. I haven't been looking at much. I've been working on this, trying to do this clothing line. Start my
Oh snap!
yeah,
That's what's up.
like trying to put together a logo and stuff like that.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Yeah, man. So it's gonna
If
be
you drop merch or anything, let me know. I'll cop.
where you gonna cop a hoodie?
Hell yeah!
Yeah,
And it's getting cold down here for some reason.
yeah,
It barely gets cold down here.
I feel that. Yeah, I'm thinking about dropping like some hoodies and some joggers. You know.
Oh snap! For sure.
Yeah, man. I'm just working on the logo right now. Want to finish the logo up, and then I'm gonna order the stuff like that.
I'm looking forward to going live soon, yo.
You say you looking forward to what?
To going live soon.
Oh, going live? Yeah, bro. I'm ready for you. Get ready to go live.
After this month, that's it. Yo, what do you think's gonna happen like in election day, like with the markets? that
Oh,
shit must that shit is probably gonna go crazy.
that's gonna be wow. It's gonna be man.
Yo, that shit's gonna be wild.
Yeah, you gonna have to be ready for whatever. For real, for real. thinking about maybe doing some hoodies.
So with my technicals and all, I've been chilling,
Yeah.
but I'm just trying to get ready for like psychologically, which I am already
Mhm.
for the 1K account. I know I'm gonna destroy that shit.
Yeah, bro. Bro, you gonna do good, bro. All you gotta do is just stick to good risk management. Know where you want to execute. You know what I'm saying? As long as you're doing that, G, it's gonna be fine, bro. Cause no market structure. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and 2 to 3 good quality trades per week is chilling.
Yeah, that's it.
Instead of just
That's all you need, bro. Like for real. Like, especially with $1,000 account, bro. Like I just seen somebody take $1,000 account to like 4,000.
damn, yo.
Yeah.
One of your students?
No, not one of mine. Somebody in WSA.
Oh damn.
Yeah, but I mean it's doable, bro. It's doable. You just, you know what I'm saying, gotta use good risk management and, you know, be able to flow in the market, like maintain your orders.
Yeah, just holding them orders all the way to that -27.
Right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, man. So technically, like what have you been working on? Like like when you've been like entering the market.
Spotting entries. I've been my trend lines. They're way more sharp
Yeah.
because I just been going wick to wick and it's been working.
Yeah, because it's showing you that momentum shift, right?
Only thing that I'm noticing though is that I rely too much at times um with my moving averages. I rely on my moving averages.
Yeah, I don't put my moving averages really to like
I'm about to take them off. What do you think? I should take them off, right? I'm pretty good. I feel like I'm good at structure.
yeah, you feel like you're good at structure, then I would just see how you do without them. You know, take like 5 trades without them. See how those trades run. See how you do. Yeah, bro. I'm
For sure, I'm trying to have entries like from 6:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. around there,
yeah,
or 9, or just whenever I can, whenever I have a setup and all I'm waiting for is the entry. All I want to do is get in, boom, leave it,
right.
and just work. Um, just chilling at work, and then if I get home, if it hits stop loss or whatever, it's a small loss. But if it hits TP, then boom, chilling.
Right. So we got major resistance. So yeah, area major resistance and stuff. And we had that support that that gap when market open.
Oh yeah, peep the gap.
We had that fill during NY session on Monday. So then that drop hit the floor, made support. Then from support, we got that counter trend, tested 38.2, came up, tested again, came up, broke 38.2 to test the next PRZ. That's respected 61.8. From there, drop, and then came back to retest, found support. So from here, we're still looking for a TP. If the continuation to try to break this area along here,
Yeah.
that negative 27%, which would be like your TP area, you know. And then even like understanding like you had previous like somebody that could have caught this, you had previous resistance right here at your 61.8. You know what I mean? So being able to identify stuff like that, like, and then see how that area got rejected, and then it gave you that Harami pattern also. So if you know candlestick anatomy, once that closed, boom, you can go down to like your 10-minute time frame, wait for that retrace to happen, and once it gave you that retrace,
Oh,
right, it gave you that because a lot of people probably can't see it, but on a 30-minute time frame, here's the Harami pattern that closed, right?
and then the third candle does the
All
it
right,
does the
wait for that next candle because you know it's going to retrace. So it retraces, boom, gives you that engulfing pattern on the 10-minute now. Anything after this in this area is a good entry. Stop loss is outside fluctuation zone. You know what I'm saying? And then you taking it back down to first TP support,
zero drawdown.
right? And then next bound support. So TP1, TP2. You know what I mean? Type thing. That's like
Perfect.
quick moves, you know what I'm saying? Like, or just what I'm seeing, you know, if anything. And it's lining up with the higher time frames as well. Because you seeing that bearish volume. You got on the 2 hour, you got bearish engulfing pattern that closed. A little bit of retrace that it's on right now because it's testing this support right here. So it's rejecting this support that's right here. So, but
Yep.
looking to see how the support lines up. And since we got a 61.8 touch, you can try to draw some type of trend line as well. You know what I mean? Let's just try to gauge that volatility to see if that area is gonna, retrace back up some, stay within, consolidate within this area right here. It's just gonna consolidate within this area. You know what I'm saying? So right now it's just consolidating, but
It's stuck in that box.
all the pressure still, there.
Oh god. My bad if you hear screaming.
No, you good, bro.
I had drawn that one. That line right there. Oh shit. Let me see. Yeah, I had drawn that same line.
Yep. So you can look for some type of opportunities. You know what I'm saying? Along this area, especially since you're seeing so much exhaustion right here.
Yep.
You see some type of retest for this back trend line. To try to test again, or it could, test up the break and then try to, you know,
Perfect.
that's what a key area I would be looking at. You seeing how strong the support is. Strong the support is. Exhausting. Major exhausting. So just gotta see how momentum plays out right now. Cause like I said, it's in that weird spot. Consolidation. also gapped.
Yeah, I made a gap right there, which means it has to get filled eventually.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
I didn't know how to use gaps. I had no idea.
For real.
Yeah, I never knew that you can use them like that. That eventually they get filled or tested.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's clean right there.
Crazy,
It,
man.
it made like it made lower highs. No, it made that resistance on the top and never made a new higher high.
Well, since it didn't, it's almost like we're still within our main fit, which would be
Yeah, yeah,
A, point B, right here, point A, point B, point C, but you made this lower high. So this could be 100% retrace as well. That's what I'm saying. You could take advantage of both, but you just gotta see how the news is gonna affect it, and you know what I mean. But you
yeah,
strong higher lows, daily time frame. You making lower highs. You add resistance areas, but you still making higher lows on the bottom end. You know what I mean? So consolidating, just going sideways right now, straight sideways movement.
yep. It's ranging.
Yeah. So when it does that, it's building up for a higher time frame move. So when it's ready, it could, you know what I'm saying?
It can pop up to the top,
Right. Exactly.
and that's why you have that trend line right there.
Yep. So I could gauge that volatility. So I know if it shoots up, come back, retest, leave some exhaustion or something, I could take advantage of it.
Yeah,
Yep.
I don't really use the 2 hour though.
Yeah, I use it instead of the 1 hour just because sometimes the 1 hour can be tricky.
Yeah, and it's too noisy.
Right. So I use the 2 hour just to condense some of the noise.
Yeah, I gotta use every time frame.
Yeah, man. Got to.
Even the 2 hour can help. Nah, but I don't use the 6 hour. You use the 6 hour?
Nah, not for real. I use like the 4 hour. You know what I'm saying? Double bottom. Yeah. I ain't even really been on the charts, bro, for real.
It's ugly right now. Oh shit, UJ.
Consolidating. Ugly.
Nasty.
Sugar. Ugly. Test, 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 test. Still never broke. Still never broke. Test it, test it. This shit can still shoot up and come back up here and test.
It's just stuck at that area.
Yeah.
It doesn't break below it.
All right. And if you doing it by your trend line,
Oh, Bro, I haven't been marking my buy zone or sell zone.
For real?
Marking that helps you,
Hell
and I
yeah.
don't and I don't mark it.
Yeah, bro. If you ain't marking that, you playing yourself.
But yeah, bro, taking 2 to 3 good quality trades is perfect because it just keeps me waiting. Like I wait for the best setups
Yeah.
instead of just trying to trade every single day. Like there's days that you don't need a trade.
That's a fact.
Like when you make hella bread in one day and that's it, you call it a week.
Right. That's what you call confluence.
And UJ's ready to take off.
This is what you fucking call.
Confluence. Yes, sir. And that shit's getting ready to take off.
Blue profits.
20 lotting that shit.
Saying blue profits. Over 100 pips.
Perfect.
31 pips. I lied. 31 pips. And the risk. 10 pips. And we got a lot of influence right here. Yeah, I mean,
Perfect. And it all started from the higher time frame.
yep.
Perfect. Yeah, hell yeah. That's just clean.
I just thought, yeah, bro. I'm on the meet.
You have I barely hear you.
For real?
Yeah.
You want to see the logo I've been working on?
For sure. Oh shit. Yo.
That's it.
What? That's what's up.
Yeah, but I'm gonna put it on a hoodie. This shit dope, right?
That shit's dope. Let me know. Let me know when you drop it.
Got you, D. I'm looking for like to start it probably by the new year, like 2021. Some merch.
That's dope, bro.
Yeah. So if you were to enter this trade right now, like you know what I'm saying, like what's some of your thoughts? Like what's some of you be thinking and stuff like that? Like what would be your next step?
Zoom in since I already, well, since you already broke everything down from the higher time frames, I will start looking for opportunities on the lower time frames like the M30,
You looking for more
M15.
opportunities?
You said what?
You looking for more opportunities?
I'm looking for, no, not more opportunities, but how to enter on the lower time frames.
I'm saying you already entered. Like if you already entered, what's your next
Oh,
step?
if I already entered,
Yeah.
then
You
on the
entered
same
at you
time,
entered at 105, 495. So what are you doing now?
when
And then the price is at 105, 518.
I'm maintaining that shit to the negative 27.
You are?
Yeah,
So if price went up to 105.20 and then went back down to 105, 104.90, you're not gonna be scared and get out.
not if I'm not over leveraging.
That's a good
If I'm over leveraging, then I'll probably shit my pants. But no.
right. No, that's why you don't over leverage, bro. You just get comfortable with a certain lot size, man. You funny. No, bro. But yeah, just the answer is no, you're not gonna get out, man, because you already got your stop loss set in place.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
I
saying?
already agreed to it
Right.
before I entered.
Stop loss is already, underneath the last low. So we're giving our order enough room to breathe. 10 pips.
Oh,
Yeah.
yo, I have a question. I have a question.
So,
Let's say you're in a trade, right? You're in a trade
mhm.
and you have a trend line drawn. Like you're maintaining your order, but also you're plotting out a trend line on the lower time frame. What if that lower time frame trend line breaks while you're in the trade?
What time frame on the lower time frame?
Like let's say you entered on the M30, right?
Okay.
And you draw a trend line.
Right.
You're maintaining your order, everything's going good, but you drew like a counter trend line.
Okay.
I mean a trend line.
Okay.
What if let's say you're in profit, right? But that trend line breaks while you're in profit, but then it didn't reach your TP though. Does that give is that like a reason for you to get out?
Just I wouldn't necessarily just get out. That would just give me a reason to go get more detail. Like go if I'm on M30, all right, maybe I need to go to M10, M5, you know what I'm saying, and get more detail as to see, did that trend line actually break fully, or is it just, you know what I'm saying, noise. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
And then I'll go to the higher time frame. I'll go to my H2 or my H4, and then I'll look and see like, is it really affecting my H4? You know what I mean? Or
Yeah.
am I seeing exhaustion in that area? Or am I still seeing a full candle? You know what I mean? Just to get the information so that way I'm looking and I'm seeing like. But if I'm seeing that on the lower time frame, for instance, I'm seeing lower highs being formed or start to be formed, and I see a point of support broken or something like that because of the shift in momentum already, then I'll get out.
Oh, all right, all right.
Yeah.
I get you.
But if I'm not seeing none of that stuff, like it broke. For instance, like it came down and did this. It came down and went like this, yellow, yellow,
Yeah, yeah.
and that next one was, you know what I'm saying? Probably yellow. Oh shit. And then the next one was like that, but it was purple.
Yeah.
I'm saying that would just let me know like, okay, this shit was just a big ass retest. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
a higher time frame, like especially if I zoomed out, because if I went to probably like my H1 or
It's probably a wick or
you know
something
what I'm
like
saying? You see how you see it now? Yeah, like, it would be like
that.
a
Yeah.
big or some shit. Or even if I went to H4, you see what I mean?
Yo, it even turns into a wick right there.
You know what I'm saying?
What?
Exactly. So
Yeah, I got you. I got you. And also, when I have, when I'm trading, right? When I have the 1K, like how often do you think I should withdraw? Like when you first withdrew, like how did you go about it? Did you take out like half? Did you leave it until it grew a little more?
yeah, like I mean, you always want to grow your bank account before your trading account. So
Yeah,
definitely,
definitely.
I was definitely taking out like half. You know what I mean? Because I had stuff to pay. You know, I withdraw
Yeah,
like every Friday, you know, something like that.
and like at least something, right?
Yeah, at least something like every Wednesday. You know what I mean? Just depending on how the week went, you know, and there'd be some weeks where it's like shit, I won't withdraw. I'll just leave it in there and build it some more the next week, you know,
Yeah, yeah.
type shit. So it just depends on your lifestyle and what you know, how your spending habits are, or how much you need to take out, stuff like that.
But I shouldn't ever take out all my profits, right? Like let's say I put in 1,000
Yeah.
and now I'm at 2,000. Is it a good idea to take out 1,000 right there?
I mean, I wouldn't, but I mean, you can. You can. It just depends on your situation. Like, if you need that thousand, then like, yeah, you can take that thousand and just put it in your wallet, so that way, and keep trading like you didn't make it. You know what I mean? So, so
Yeah, yeah,
if anything happens, you got 1,000 that you could put right back into your trading account. You know, just because you take it out your uh your MT4 doesn't mean like you gotta withdraw to your bank account. You can still just hold it in your wallet and build your.
oh shit, that's right. Yo, and to deposit and stuff, do you use Bitcoin, all that stuff,
Yeah, I just use Bitcoin to
or Cash App? You can
deposit.
use Cash App too.
Yeah, yeah. I use Instacoins to deposit, and then I use Cash App to withdraw.
Oh, all right, all right.
Even how you seeing this? Like you seeing this right here? You got resistance, tight resistance, higher low, same high, higher low, break,
Boom.
retest,
It's
bottom of
just perfect.
the move. It's the bottom of the move right here. So you got to be able to maintain. You know what I'm saying? Through all of this shit right here, because this shit can do this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like you gotta be able
it,
to
it really be like that. It really be like that.
you gotta be able to maintain that through all that shit. Like, damn, all right, you know, how I'm seeing higher highs and higher lows on my M30. I'm seeing bullish candles on my H4. I'm started seeing resistance on H4. I go down to my M30. I'm seeing a break of support. I see a new lower high being formed with some type of bearish variation. Let me know that the counter trend's about to happen. Okay, let me pull out my fibs, point A, point B, measure this counter trend, stop that. You know what I'm saying? Like that's how you gotta
Yeah,
be, bro. You gotta
yeah,
be in that shit. You know what I'm saying?
yeah. Every little detail.
Every little detail, like you gotta be knowing, like you know what I'm saying. Like that's why you gotta be receiving like open to information, open to how the candles are forming. You know what I mean? Like open to
Yeah,
a bunch of stuff, really. You know. yeah.
But yo, I gotta stop trying to over leverage. But that happens when I'm too confident.
Yeah. But that's the
Cause
thing.
I'm
You gotta remember it's always the probability game.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Like it's always a probability game. You can always go the other way. It's binary. You know what I'm saying? Like you getting in with an edge. You just getting in like knowing like counting cards. You know what I'm saying? Like
yeah,
because I know it's a higher probability that this shit is not gonna break this support point. That's why I'm getting in that major support. That's why I'm getting at a higher low point because I know this is the lowest point that the market has to reach before continuing structure to make a high point. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm
yeah,
getting in, you know what I'm saying? Or I'm getting in because I know it would take a lot of selling pressure or a lot of sellers that come into the market to break past this major support point that was once resistance, now newfound support. You know what I'm saying? Like shit like that. Like you just finding reasons, to support your bias. And then you got to have perseverance bias, when it comes to executing your order, like just having that perseverance, like, no matter what the candles are looking like, you're open to whatever type of fluctuation, you're open to whatever type of candles forming until either your stop loss gets hit or you reach your take profit.
damn man, and it's as easy as that, yo. Just TP or stop loss.
All right. TP or stop loss.
And me trying to break even, trying to close.
Two or more confirmations, two or more reasons, you know what I'm saying? And those reasons could be a trend line that's lined up with a Fibonacci ratio that's also once was resistance, now newfound support on a certain time frame. Also a bullish, engulfing, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So it's like also seeing higher low points being formed after, this isn't even a point. What's this? A point D on your trend line, point A, point B, point C, point D bounce. You know what I'm saying? So,
yeah,
just trying to take advantage and be proactive, as far as not anticipating, but flowing with what you see that's happening from previous data, you know, seeing that it's continuous, also higher highs being made, from this point. We had a break right here that made this high, higher low, you know, higher high compared to this high, higher low, same high, you know,
boom, you're in your buy zone.
feel me? You already in your buy zone. So it's like that's where you at until you see a certain momentum shift, until you see, you know, a major breakup because this is minor support. So this is 23.
Yeah,
So it's like you see a breakup like major support here, you know what I'm saying? Or some type of lower high point be formed like up here, you know. You sticking with your bias. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's how I be doing it, bro. Like that's all I do.
damn, a US 30 is like ranging. It's stuck in that little box right there.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah, bro, I gotta keep it at a with a nice flow
Hmm.
and just flow.
That's it, bro. That's all you gotta do, bro. Just flow. Yeah. And then just look for opportunities. Like, cause once you start adding technicals, you know, you start seeing hella opportunities or whatever the case is. Like, you know. Yeah, man. You got any other questions though?
Only one.
What's up?
So I'm gonna use 0.01s, right?
Yeah. Okay.
When do you think I should bump it up?
I mean, it's up to you, bro. Whenever you feel comfortable. I told you, like, once you just, start seeing consistency, you feel like, you catching a good amount of the moves. You seeing good profit. You know, give yourself a raise whenever you feel like
Cause we're our own bosses.
it. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, G.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna kill this shit.
That's a bet. That's a bet, my boy. Well, shoot, we'll get back on this joint probably like Thursday, man.
All right, yep.
All right, bro. Hey,
Take care.
what your boy say?
Yo, he had paid somebody else.
Oh,
No, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you. I was like, yo, Vontae said he wants to one on one with you. Come on, bro.
wow.
And then I was like, I told him about you. And then he put like a mind blown emoji.
Yeah, bro.
And he was like, I want to, but right now I'm still paying this guy because he had done another class with some other guy, and I
Uh-huh.
guess he's still in it.
Okay.
But damn, he's gonna see me take off, and he's gonna be like, oh hell no. He's gonna see me take off, and he's gonna know, bro. He's gonna know.
It's cool. Yeah, bro. I'm telling you, bro. You're gonna be fine. You just gotta keep working. That's it. Stay at it. You feel me?
Yeah, bro.
Smooth, man. Well, I'll holler at you on Thursday.
All right, man.
All right, bro.
Take care, G.